Join me as I dive into the latest finance news and try to make sense of it all just in few minutes. The world of finance can be overwhelming, but staying informed is key to making smart decisions about your money. That's why I'm here to break down the latest happenings in the finance world and what they mean for you. One of the biggest challenges facing investors right now is inflation. With prices rising, the value of money is decreasing, and that can be a major concern for people who have saving or investments. Another challenge is interest rates, which can affect everything from mortgage to credit card debt, and there is market volatility, which can make it tough to know what to do with your investments. These challenges are interconnected and they can have a big impact on your financial decisions. For example, if interest rates are high, it might be more expensive to borrow money, which can affect the housing market and the overall economy. And if the stock market is volatile, it can be tough to know whether to buy or sell. Market volatility can be caused by a wide range of factors, from changes in government policy to shifts in global events. As an investor, it is essential to stay informed and adapt to changing circumstances. Understanding the current economic landscape and how it affects your investment is crucial. The current state of the economy is a complex issue and there is no one-size-fits-all solution. However, by breaking down the key challenges and trends, we can get a better sense of what's happening and what it means for our financial decisions. The stock market has been on a wide ride lately. Some big swings in the past few weeks. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin have also been fluctuating widely, leaving some investors wondering what's next. Meanwhile, policy changes like interest rates hike have been making headlines, and it is essential to understand how they impact your investment. One critical development that's been making waves is the rise of sustainable investing. As more and more people become more concerned about the environment and social justice, they are looking for ways to invest their money in a way that aligns with their values. This trend is changing the way we think about investing and could have a significant impact on financial decisions you make in the near future. Growing importance of financial literacy is another key insight that could impact your financial decisions with so much information available. It is easy to feel overwhelmed, but understanding the basics of personal finance can help you inform decisions and achieve your long-term goals. In terms of investment strategies, diversification remains a key principle. By spreading your investment across the different asset classes, you can reduce your risk and increase your potential for long-term returns. To sum it all up, the current financial landscape is complex, but by staying informed and adapting to changing circumstances, you can make smart decisions about your money. We have covered a lot of ground, from inflation and interest rates to market volatility and emerging trends. So, what are your thoughts on the current financial situation? Have you ever been affected by any of trends we have discussed? Let me know in the comments. If you're looking for more insight and analysis, be sure to check my ARC related videos.